Okay, people, today I'm making fruit juice. I have peach, apple, plum, June plum. The plum I'm talking about is like the American plum, like this here, or whatever plum it is. My bad. This here plum, apple, the green apple, like this here. Peach, mango. The mango, I cut the sides off the mango, like this here. Yeah, and then I cut all these in pieces. So I'm gonna start blending. Okay, what I used to blend is the orange juice, any brand orange juice, it doesn't really matter, but orange juice, no pulp orange juice. I'm not gonna use water because it's like a fruit juice, so why use water? So I'm gonna use orange juice because I'm not gonna use orange, blending orange, but I'm gonna use the orange juice that comes in a container already ready. Okay, I'm not gonna pour as much. This is like thereabout, just enough, because what happened is the other ingredients are gonna make juice, so those juice added to this juice is just gonna, you know, make it thick enough, not watery, and give me enough for me to blend and make it a juice, right? So this is like a, what's it called, this is like, oops, some no, you can see that, not much, right? It's like a, how much, let me see, like 1/2 cup, or thereabout. I don't know if you can see it. Not much, not much, just a little. You can start by a little and then adding and adding if you want to. Okay, so I'm gonna start it and I'm gonna put it on blend. See what I'm telling you about the orange juice, the amount, because it's gonna make this the juice. You understand? It's not what the liquid to blend the fruits gonna be like. The water would be probably up here, but you don't want water juice. You want juice, fruit juice. All right. Let me go back and blend again. Now look how luscious it is. You see what I'm talking about? See, it's thick, it's rich, and it's liquefied. Now I'm gonna liquefy it to get most of the fruits that are not blended out. I want to smooth it out. Actually, that like a smoothie. All right. Let me give you a peek inside of what I'm talking about. You see that? You see that? It's all juice. All right? Thick enough and all natural juice. Now I'm going to add other ingredients to finish it off. I have 2 strainers here. You might be wondering what I'm doing with 2 strainers. First, I'm going to use this big strainer to take away the thick residue that's in it at first, and then use a small strainer to take out a smaller portion of the drugs or dregs, or you know, the other fine ingredients that could be blended out. All right, let me show you how it's done. Look at that thickness. Look at it. See, that's why I told you the orange juice, you didn't have to pour as much in it. Now look at that. So what I'm doing is I'm gonna, you know, kind of make this here. The juice goes down. See it? It's going down. Okay. So whatever particles of the fruits that are not blended out, I strain it out. See? Like the seeds of whatever in it, the skins or whatever is left back, that it cannot be broken down. Yeah. Now, look at what you get from it. See? The thick and the richness. Okay? You can start drinking it like this if you want to. But I want it more refined. So what I'm going to do, I have more fruits that I'm going to add to it. Plus ginger and stuff like that. So stay tuned. I'm going to get this ginger ready. Ginger. I have my berries. Blueberries. And I have strawberry. It doesn't matter what brand or whatever you're going to use. It's just like you just put fruits together. And my banana. And I'm also going to add a little tip of lime to give a little tanginess, a little flavor. So, I mean, that's what you call fruit juice. You can use any amount of ginger you want. Depends on how, you know, ginger you want to taste, or tangy, or, you know, hot, spicy. You know the ginger taste that gives when you put it in the juice. So depends on what size. I'm gonna get this first and see what it tastes like. So I'm gonna chop this up to put it in the blender. So what I'll be doing, I'll be adding the berries and the other items in. But what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna use the same juice that I just used, not water. Right? That's good enough. I'm gonna add my thing. I already washed them. Went ahead and rinse out that, and I come back because I don't want anything that was left in or the bottom to be like going back down. So I'll go ahead again and pour. Alright. Same thing over again. So here it is, all mixed out with a fine strainer. See how smooth that is now? It's more smoother, right? Okay, then I'm gonna pour it into my bottle. Look at that. Look how smooth and refined that is. See? Okay, now what I'm gonna do, where did I put my lime? I'm gonna use lime and put a little bit, just a little bit, not much, just a little bit. Because what happened, the apples can make it already. You know, see? Okay. All right. Now I'm gonna put my lid back on. I'm not gonna stir it. I'm not gonna stir it. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna shake, 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 shake the tambourine, shake the lemon, circulate the lime juice, and there you have it. There you have it. Your natural fruit juice. Your natural fruit juice. See? Look at the richness. Look at that. Look at the richness. If you want it more, I mean, thinner, not as this thick, just how you can add a little bit of probably more orange juice into it, or whatever juice you like, you know. But I mean, orange juice gives you a blend with the fruits that is already in there. You don't want to add a juice like from the say fruit punch juice that is already mixed with something. You understand what I'm saying? So the orange juice, you can squeeze your own orange juice to make it more thinner than this. But when you drink it like this, you can also put it in a freezer. You get a little bit of smoothie taste, or you can drink it like this, and you know, it's like your stomach will be filled when you're done with this natural fruit juice. I mean, you don't need a lot more food than this. All right, thumbs up.